When I'm up, I just wanna hit the dealership and stunt that two-door.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Oh man, it's about to rain. It's been raining a lot here in LA. Like for the past, it rained last night, a week before that. Weird. It really doesn't rain that often, but you know, it's winter time. It's getting cold. I'm in my car. It's Wednesday, and today we're gonna be doing a little mukbang, you feel me? And I went to one of my favorite spots. I'm on a diet, but I'm gonna do it for y'all, you feel me? So, and I'm low-key craving it too, so fuck it. I'm gonna burn it out. So I went to N Out, and I got me a bam double. You see that? With extra toasted bun, no spread. We don't do the spread out here, you feel me? Yeah, let's get into this, man. Y'all want a bite first, or you want me to? I'm gonna give y'all a bite. There you go. Enjoy. I haven't had this in a while. It's so bomb. I have water. I don't do soda. But yeah. Oh my god. You know what sucks? Like, East Coast don't have this. This shit's bomb. I don't know what y'all be having out there. They have like Shake Shack and stuff, right? But yeah, I'm missing out on this. This is really, really good. Look at this. What a raw onion gang at. We're gonna do grilled. But yeah, this week we have there's gonna be 4 albums coming out. X, Gucci, Kodak, and there's one more person, but I don't even remember who, but you know what I mean. But there's gonna be a whole bunch of reactions coming through. Friday. I might do them Thursday night, but no, usually Friday. I'll wait for Friday, you know. So that's gonna be lit. Oh my god, I swear this is so good. So yeah, and I'm doing a reaction on excuse me. So yeah, leave you know, let me know what you want me to react to. It's just not just like albums or whatever, you know. Oh my god. If y'all never had In Out, you guys are missing out, I swear. But yeah, it's 4 albums to react to. That's a lot of music I'm gonna be intaking. So, you know, but you know, I like X, man. You know, sad that that happened to him or whatever, you know, in his own city. Yeah, I was on X like way early when he used to wrote like Rob Banks in them, so I like Rob Banks, and somehow, you know, you find out like, but you know, I know his I heard his album's like 20 minutes, 30 minutes short. So, and it's like, you know, his songs are like a minute and a half and stuff like that. I actually like that he kept it like, you know, the attention span of people nowadays, like people can't even watch a minute video, so, you know, I like that. I'm really looking forward to that and the Kodak one. And then Gucci. I'm waiting for the X, like looking forward to the X one. I don't know about the others, but you know what I mean. But let me get to my burger. This shit is bomb. Bruh. That's bite. I'm low-key full, man. Alright, I'm full. Alright, y'all, you know, just had a feast, in and out. No fries, lay off them potatoes, you feel me? Like this video, subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? We're on the road to 1 million subscribers. I'm trying to do it as fast as possible. I don't even have 1,000 yet, but you know, that's the goal. Excuse me. I just ate some burpee. Yeah, subscribe, man. Help me reach 1 million. That's right. I know y'all probably thinking like, oh, you don't even have 1,000. Yes. Aim high, bro. You feel me? Yeah, subscribe to my channel. Hit me, comment. I will see you on the next video, tomorrow's video. If not tonight, you know, we double, triple, quadruple uploading. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.